Revise now. There are mistakes people do. After you start, you just put it at the revise. At the end of the day, you will blow your gearbox. You will burn your gearbox. So don't just put it in revise. Before you put it in revise, move it forward. Okay? Before you put it in revise, move it forward first. Move front. Then make use of your side mirrors. Okay? Then you can revise. You understand? And make use of your brake too. This is the brake. Make use of it so that you can revise. Then another thing you need to know is when you want to revise it, you don't just leave your hand like this. You don't leave your hand like this. If you leave your hand like this, automatically it's going to off, and you are going to spoil the gearbox. You understand? So when you want to revise it, you take it like this. You take it 1, 2, then you take it up. See? Do you see? It's up now. Do you see it? You take it up. That's the revise pattern. And when you take it up, because we are going to do the practice now. When you take it up, then you gently remove your hand. Like this. Like this. While you throttle here. Just like this. Small, small. Because if you throttle it with force, you are going to hit somewhere. And before you do that, make sure there is oil in your gearbox. Let me show you the gearbox now. Watch. Let me show you the gearbox. Because when there's no oil there, now this is the engine, and this is the gearbox here. This is the engine is on. This is the gearbox. Okay. You can lose it with your spanner before putting it oil. So if there is no oil there, you cannot move it well. This is the spanner you can use. Look at it. You see it? You can use this spanner to lose it. Put it oil, fresh oil. Put it fresh oil. Then after you put this fresh oil, then you start it and revise it. Okay? Yes. Start it and revise it. And that is the solution to the revise. Then if it is not selecting revise gear, it's not entering revise, look at the reason, look at the cause of that. The major cause of it is number 1, oil. Number 2, this cable here. Look at this, all this cable. This cable, change them. If you change them, tell the mechanic to adjust it very well. As you can see, this one is not to adjust, it's free. It's free. Do you see it? It's free. You understand? So, but when you adjust it, change this cable, change it, and it will start entering or revise. Okay? So the video you're about to watch now is how I revise it. Okay? Yeah. So have a good